Hey guys, my name is Tyler. I'm going to share with you this toilet today. It's the Smart Toilet from HOROW. I got a few other gadgets from HOROW and they're a really great brand, so I couldn't wait to order their toilet. This thing's really nice. Has a heated seat, has an automatic sensor to flush the toilet, and it's just really great, full of features. I can't wait to install it. So I'm going to unbox this here for you and show you the install process and show you everything that's inside. So let's go. I cut open the sides of the box here so we can just open it up. Has really awesome packaging. The styrofoam is done really well, so the shipping was safe and secure, and everything arrived to me undamaged. I'm really excited about that. I'm just gonna open it up and show you everything that's in the box here. There's the beautiful toilet itself by HOROW. Has the little smart knob on the side that controls all the behavior. I'll show you a little bit more about that later. Here in the box, one of the boxes that came with it comes with a wax ring and the little port that goes on your pipe that leaves the house. So this will mount on your floor level. I'm really glad they included this. This is a great inclusion. Also comes with all the hardware needed, anchor bolts and the legs and washers, anything you need in there for the install. And then the other box that it comes with here has a manual inside, so you can learn everything about the device itself. Has some adapters, a little tool here, a 9-volt battery. That's going to run all the smart features on the toilet. I'll show you how to install that in a little bit. And then the last piece here looks like to be a shut-off valve. Or no, it is. Yep, perfect. The shut-off valve that you can install right on your toilet as well. So that's great. I'm going to get going on installing this and show you along the way the process. So I took my toilet off the ring here. I'm going to actually leave everything in place here because it looks good. But you can use this included wax ring instead of that blue silicone ring I have. And that white, I think, can be replaced with this as well. So it's a full kit. I'm just going to use what I have existing, but just so you know, these are the next steps. And now I'm going to have these bolts on here, just like this, across from each other. I'm going to put the toilet right on those, and the holes will line up perfectly. All right, so I have the toilet mounted in. I just screwed in the included hardware on those bolts, and it was really easy. What we have here is this is the little on-off valve that come with the toilet. So this is my main water supply coming in for the toilet. It actually has a faucet end on it, which is perfect because that's what this is here. The faucet end here is a 1/2 inch right here. So you screw your main water supply into the 1/2 inch, and then this is your where the toilet plugs into. Super simple install. Now that I have it mounted to the floor, all I have to do is get the water supply hooked up with this and plug it in to a standard outlet. My toilet's right next to my washers, so it's going to work perfect. And then the last step here, this big cable comes out of the toilet. This is your main water supply for the toilet. It supplies everything inside. We just want to connect that here. And what's nice too, there's a big area in the back of the toilet. Actually, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put a little bit of that plumber's tape on this, on the threading here. So I added the plumber's tape to the threading. Now I just have to attach the main supply for the toilet. Amazing install, super easy. Love that it came with the valve here to shut it on and off. I actually didn't have one on my toilet before that, so now I have one. It's great. Here it's open. I'll turn it to closed. This is closed like that, and I'll turn my main water supply back on and plug it in, and I'll be ready to go. All right, so here's everything hooked up. You can see there's a blue ring of light around the dial here, the knob. Signifying that it has power and it's all ready to go. If you turn the knob counterclockwise, you can see there's different levels of light on here. That's the heat of the seat heater. So you can turn it up like this, a little brighter, a little warmer, and that's the max hot. And you can actually feel, put your hand on the seat, you can actually feel the heat coming off, so which shows that it works excellent. Definitely a great design. It has a little floor sensor in the floor here too that senses when someone's present and when somebody leaves, and then it flushes automatically, which is a really cool feature. And then to flush, it's really simple. You just push the knob down, and it has a really strong flushing action. Being this toilet doesn't have a tank, it really relies on the pressure of your water supply, and it does a really nice pressure clean at the very end, and then fills back up with your water pressure as well. So that's a pretty cool design there, and overall it's just a great toilet. If you go to slam the toilet, it'll do a slow close as well, which is really a great feature to prolong the life of the toilet and keep the hinges nice. And so the last step would be just to caulk the base of the toilet and let the caulk sit for 24 hours. The install was super easy, only a few steps, and the instructions were really clear. Just follow those step by step and you're good to go. I'm really loving this smart toilet from HOROW. It has the seat heater, the floor sensor, and really just the tankless design in general. I'm really loving it. Love that it just hooks to your water pressure and you don't have that tank of water sitting there all the time. So made the toilet really light and easy to carry as well, which is just an added bonus, and it looks super sharp in place. If you're looking for a great one, I recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.